He's called up.
It's the punk rocker of Maryland. All right, we found the punk rocker of Maryland. Or maybe it's the punk rocker of New York.
Yeah.
That's a fat lie.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Whoa! 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 Oh my God, it's so cold!
Oh, that was awesome.
I will say, flying over the water is a nice touch.
It is.
I think because of the scenery alone, I'd prefer this one over the Maryland clone.
Yeah.
The other one's just over grass.
I feel like somebody told me this is like behemoth, but this is way bigger, way
No,
more.
but this is not behemoth good.
No.
I rode behemoth the first time yesterday. I was mind blown. It was so good.